Hello students, welcome back. Now for an optional video, let's talk about the difference between quartile excluding the median versus quartile including the median. Let's go to this data set, and this data set here, 23 numbers here, those corresponds to this data set. The data set for the score distribution of a hypothetical class. And then we use the same data set for median computation in this example. After sorting out, we got that. And then we got quartile computation like this. Remember, this is the minimum, that's the maximum. And then excluding the median, this is the lower half, and then we do the median computation here, knock off, knock off, knock off, and so on, and then you get this 69. Do the same thing to upper half, knock off, knock off, knock off, and then you get 82. And those are the 5-number summary basically, and 69 and 82 in particular are quartiles. Q1 excluding the median, and Q3 excluding the median. So this is Q1 and that's Q3. But then again, what if I ask Mathematica to calculate quartiles? Oops. I want decimal expression. Okay, we got close but no cigar. 69.75, which is close to 69 but not the same. 81.75, which is close to 82 but not the same. And 77, well, that's the median, so that fits. So this is first quartile, second quartile, which is the median. 2/4 is the same as 1/2, and that's the third quartile. And according to these, we got 69 and 82. According to Mathematica, we got something close but a little bit different. What makes a difference here? If you go to MS Excel, let's see, same thing here, and then let's begin with sorting the data. Let's see, sort smallest to largest. Okay, here we go. 33 to 94. Okay, sorting is done. And then let's find out, okay, minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. And minimum is 33, maximum is 94, and median 77. Q1, that's a bit of a problem. Let's find out. As usual, we go to sigma, upside down triangle here, more functions. And then I'm already in statistical. If you're in someplace else, go to statistical. And let's find quartiles here. Go down to Q, and you can see 2 quartiles there. Quartiles.exe is the one we want. According to our textbook author, this is the one we are using. So select that, and then select the array. Okay, and then this is the first quartile. Calculate, and we got 69 as we did before. See, as we did before. That was quartile excluding the median. Now Q3, let's do the same thing. More function, and go to quartiles. Excluding the median.exe. And then let's go ahead and select the data set. And then this third quartile. Find out, and we have 82 and That's what we got before. So the textbook's method gives me quartiles.exe, quartiles excluding the median. Here, exclude the median, take only these. And that's going to give me 69. Exclude the median to 77 and take only these, and that's going to give me 82. That's the textbook's method. But this is for EXE. Now, what if I want quartile including the median? Q3 including the median. Basically, what we want is include the median and do this median problem with these. Basically, we put another 77 here and work out. That's going to change a little bit. And if you do that, you're going to get these numbers. More functions and statistical, go to quartile, including the median, INC, and then go ahead and select the data set, and then first quartile, and what do you have? We have 70.5. A little bit different. How about third quartile? Again, let's do the same thing. More functions, and then go to quartiles, including the median, and go ahead and select a data set here. Okay, done. And then this is the third quartile. So we have 81.5. Those quartile computation includes the median. Let's see. In this computation, here in this computation, I'm taking only up to here, so I got 69 and 82. But okay, let's duplicate this. And then what if I insert this 77 here and 77 there? This time include the median, include the median, and then do all your computation. Then you're going to get these two numbers left. You're going to get these two numbers left because we have even numbers. And then take the average of those two. You're going to get quartiles including the median. Oh, excuse me, I want decimal expression. So 70.5 and 81.5 respectively. 70.5 and 81.5 respectively. Make sense? How in the world MS Excel is calculating the quartile EXE and quartile INC? Explained like this. Including 77, we have down here. Excluding the 77 red, we have up there. So this one and that one, 69 and 82, are quartiles excluding the median. That's the method our textbook author is using. And then these are quartile computation including the median. Our textbook author does not accept this, but I intend to accept both versions with full credit. If you use MS Excel, either you can use EXE or INC. Either way, I'm going to accept with full credit. But preferred answer is .exe. Now, however, what about this mathematical solution? 69.75, 81.75, what are those? As a matter of fact, these are coming from the averages of these two first quartiles. 69 plus 70.5, and then take the average of that. and that is 69.75. $82, and then 81.5 divided by 2. So taking the average of Q3 EXC and Q3 INC, I get 81.75, and that's what this is. So the Mathematicas answer, quartile of this data, and then obtained by both quartile EXC and INC, and then taking the average, this gives you the best quartile. This one here, given by Mathematica, is actually the best computation because it involves both quartile EXC, excluding the median, and quartile INC, including the median, calculated both, and then took the average. So this is the best. However, come on, this is 1000 level mathematics course. We don't want to go too deeply into that. I'll just accept everything, any one of those, with full credit. As for our textbook's method is quartile excluding the median. So in my main lesson video, I talked about only quartile EXC, nothing else. In optional video, in case you guys are wondering, I'm explaining all those kind of things. Here in MX Excel, we have two versions. .exe is actually the default that I want. Our textbook author wants this one too. And INC, okay, if you do it right, I'll give you full credit, yeah, but it's not preferred. That's not the textbook's way. And if you somehow get these two, and get the average, and get really the best answer, okay, I'll give you full credit, but no extra credit. Because after all, our textbook's method is quartile EXC, so you should be following the textbook's method. Okay, that's where I'm gonna stop. There were some confusions about different quartiles command in MS Excel, and also different values coming from my notebook. That's why I went to all those. Now, if you go to section 3 and go to this technology exercise, and then get this 5-number summary about all those. Oops, excuse me, I need decimal expression. And these numbers here, especially these quartiles, these are obtained by the average of quartile EXC and INC. So it used Mathematica's method. So it may be a little bit different from the technology exercise you do with MS Excel. It may yet turn out to be the same. No, I think it'll be a little bit different. But that difference is okay. As far as I'm concerned, I'm going to give you full credit for either any of those. Now, if you use MS Excel or any kind of technology aid in my MATLAB exercises, I'm sorry, I cannot say the same. It's a machine grader, so it may do whatever it pleases, and it may very well be incorrect, but there's nothing I can do about my MATLAB. Okay, so much for lesson 2. Let's meet again in lesson 3.